Hey guys, another day, another reselling Q&A. When I'm filming this, it's May 31st, but May is my best month ever reselling. It is my best month ever. I beat last month. I said last month was my best month ever. And I want to clarify this because some people are confused. Last month, previously, was my best month ever reselling, not just like on Poshmark. It was across multiple platforms. So this month, I beat my numbers from last month. It's my best month ever reselling across multiple platforms. It's not just on Poshmark. It is Poshmark, Mercari, and eBay. Guys, I love eBay. I love it. I love it. Like, not anti-eBay, but I was just very afraid to try eBay. I'm like, I don't want to deal with shipping and returns. Returns suck, and non-paying buyers really suck, but it's hopefully changing soon. I'm just holding on to the hope that it's changing soon. What? Guys, Nolan. What did you say? He's such a little man. Oh my gosh, guys, I went to a barbecue over the weekend and I held a 1-month-old baby and I'm like, I need another one. I need another one. I need another one. My husband's like running away. Just got an email. This video's all over the place. It says, see the Boston Celtics in the 2022 NBA Finals. Guys, Celtics are going to the finals. Let's just take a little look-see at the tickets, see how much they cost. Let's see. They're not playing in Boston until June 8th. So let's see what the tickets are. Oh, Holy Spirit, activate. Okay, so I'm just looking. Friggin' balcony seats start. I mean, this is NBA Finals, like shouldn't be surprising, but yeah, balcony seats start at $813. All right, you're gonna pay like a couple grand for good seats. Oh yeah, 5,000. Guys, I'm going to my first concert in friggin' 3 years soon. Going with Brady. It's his first concert, which is so exciting. I'm going with Brady and his girlfriend and her mom. It's gonna be fun. I'm excited. I haven't been, like I said, to a concert in a long time. It was before COVID. It was a country concert, and it was a shit show because the people that I went with, family members, one of them got really shit-faced and slept the whole time, and it was it was a mess. Guys, I got an Apple Watch, by the way. I had so many credits on Poshmark, and I'm like, I want an Apple Watch. I never got one. This is my first Apple Watch, which is kind of surprising because if you know me, I mean, I got an Apple tattoo. I worked for Apple. I usually get like all the new Apple shit. Yeah, I just never thought that I would need an Apple Watch, but I love it. I'm working on like a fitness thing got going on right now. I'm trying to do it. This watch is like motivating me. But yeah, I want to lose some weight. I got a rude comment. This was probably like a couple months ago now, and somebody called me fat, and like, it really like, you guys hear Nolan? It's like, honestly, shut the fuck up. It's like, let me see you have 4 babies in 6 years and then bounce back perfectly. Let me see you do that. It's like, first pregnancy, yes, you can bounce back. Second pregnancy, yes, you can bounce back. Third pregnancy might be a little bit more difficult, but you can bounce back. 4 and 6 years, it's really difficult, okay? So, yeah, to that person that said that, you can just fuck off. Again, try to have 4 babies in 6 years, and then you can talk to me, okay? Okay. All right, let's get into the Q&A. All right, first question, after all that rambling. My question is, can you start a new Poshmark business without sourcing in person at all? LOL, I have 5 kids as well. April, girl, yeah. And I would like to do Poshmark, but can't see myself getting much time to source out of the house. Our bulk inventory box is profitable enough to make it worth starting that way. So yes, absolutely. I know there are a lot of resellers that don't go out sourcing. They literally don't leave their house to source. They buy, mystery boxes, bulk inventory, et cetera, et cetera. It's possible to do it. It definitely takes a lot of trial and error to find the right companies. So prepare to spend money and really not make money until you find the legit companies. I'm not going to tell you guys where I source. I don't do that. Somebody commented the other day and like, why don't you want people to know where you source? It's not like it's a competition. It's like, what? Of course it is. Of course it's a competition, especially if you're buying from websites that have limited quantities of shit. Like, what are you talking about? My favorite are the resellers that are like, there's room for everyone. Everyone. It's like, okay, there are a shit ton of clothes in the world, yes. But if you put a bunch of resellers in one store, it's gonna get competitive. There's gonna be some resellers that like to sell the same brands and shit, and it's gonna be competitive. Anyway, to answer your question, yes, it is possible to do that, but like I said, it takes a lot of trial and error. There are other resellers here on YouTube that will tell you where they get their inventory from, so you could, you know, maybe look for those videos. But again, it's going to be trial and error because maybe you don't sell the types of things that these other resellers sell. So you're looking for different things to sell or different brands. So you have to try out the company and see if you like it yourself. But yes, absolutely, it is possible to do that. That was a long answer. Okay, this person says, this may have been asked before and I missed it. Is there a category for scrubs on Poshmark? I picked up some really nice Grey's Anatomy ones for a really good deal, but I have no idea how to list them. If there's no category, how would you go about the listing? So there is no category for scrubs on Poshmark. I have seen people list them as like, you know, tops and pants. That's how I would do it. And then I would just put scrubs in the description and the title. But yeah, unfortunately, there is no category for scrubs. Oh, I wanted to update you guys. So in my last video, I talked about this company that's on Instagram. They're scamming people. Well, a lot of people have been spreading the word about it. So they changed their Instagram name. Their new Instagram name is Johnson_pallets. So keep an eye on them. If they message you, it's a fake company. They're just going to tell you, oh, pay us through Resale, pay us through Resale. And they're going to steal your money and not send anything to you. So yeah, I just wanted to let you guys know that they changed their name. I'm going to make a video telling you guys how I pissed them off. I tried to like kind of scam them, if you will. I had them thinking I was going to buy thousands of dollars worth of stuff. And in actuality, I wasn't. I sent them like a fake screenshot. It was really good. Look for that video coming soon. Okay, so I've rambled in this video. That's it. I hope I answered friggin' 2 questions. I answered 2 questions. If you guys have any other questions, you can comment down below or you can send me a DM on Instagram. If you're new to Poshmark and you want to sign up, you can use my code. It is KeepinItRad. You get a $10 credit and I also get a $10 credit. So thank you. That's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.